Hey guys, welcome to my channel This and That. In today's video, we will be making a super yummy sandwich. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing and hit the bell button so that you never miss any updates. Let's get started. Let's have a look at the ingredients first. For the filling, you will need blanched spinach leaves, about 8 to 10 garlic cloves finely chopped, 1 medium onion finely chopped, 250 grams of diced paneer, grated cheese, some boiled golden corn, oregano, and red chili flakes. Additionally, you will need some ghee, oil, and salt. To make the filling of the sandwich, heat a kadai or pan and add about 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter and 2 tablespoons of oil. Saute the finely chopped garlic cloves for a few seconds. Add the finely chopped onion and saute it for a minute or till it turns slightly pinkish or transparent. Let's add the main ingredient, that is blanched spinach leaves. Now add the boiled golden corn and mix well. Now add the paneer cubes and mix for another minute. Next, add some grated processed cheese to your sandwich filling. Now add some red chili flakes and oregano or mixed herbs. Our sandwich filling is almost ready. You just need to adjust the salt. Now let's assemble our sandwich. Take 2 slices of bread and apply some butter on both the slices and add the filling between the 2 slices. You can serve the sandwich as it is, but I chose to grill it. Here is our yummy sandwich ready. Do try this at home, and if you like it, let me know in the comments section below.